Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. Did you know that the Regional Australia Institute has started a hiring campaign to get city employees to think about relocating to regional Australia? In this video, we'll discuss how the Australia Institute started a recruitment drive to find candidates for 91,000 regional positions. Job seekers are urged to bargain for greater pay and more accommodating working circumstances. Since the outbreak, the population in regional Australia has increased by 70,000. Attractions for regional life. According to research by the Regional Australia Institute, RAI, factors related to the cost of living might induce half of urban employees to accept a position there. In May, there were 91,000 open positions in regional Australia that were posted online. Director of RAI External Affairs Loretta Wallace said it was the ideal time for workers to demand benefits like a raise in pay, more flexible working hours, or even a 4-day work week. Regional Recruitment Drive. The RAI has started a campaign to inform city employees about the employment options available outside of the biggest CBDs in the country. It claims to be the greatest hiring campaign in the country and is intended to use a special website to highlight the 91,000 jobs that are available in regional Australia. No industry or sector in regional Australia, according to Ms. Wallace, is unaffected by the present labour crisis. The pandemic, according to the RAI, is a major contributor to Australia's severe talent deficit. Since our borders were closed during COVID, fewer immigrants have come to the areas to work, according to Ms. Wallace. Additionally, 70,000 more people moved to regional Australia as a result of the enormous exodus from the big cities. Construction led jobs growth. Along the New South Wales-Victoria border, Paul Stein, the owner of a plumbing company, claimed there is now a severe labor shortage in numerous trades. He said that there is a labor scarcity and a backlog of work from COVID times. It would be simpler if there were some incentives for city dwellers to move out, but this has a double-edged blade in that as more people move to rural regions, greater pressure is put on the construction sector and tradesmen. According to Mr. Stein, there is increased strain on councils, governments, and trades as a result of many people relocating from urban regions to rural areas. Finding schools for kids. Grant Beggs, managing director, stated that providing their children with a top-notch education was a top consideration for families relocating from the city to take positions in the countryside. Getting into the proper schools and being in the correct zones is a significant concern, especially if they have children old enough to attend school, he added. However, there is also the matter of what happens once they complete Year 12 and migrate back to Melbourne or Adelaide, where they may choose to continue their education if they so want. He also said that when parents bring their children inside, they must leave them there. However, Mr. Beggs claimed that the disadvantages of living in a rural area frequently clinched the deal. This is to offer their children the chance to enjoy life, go to school, arrive home in under 10 minutes, and have a more relaxed lifestyle, the speaker explained. After learning about the Australia Institute's strategy for recruiting employees to fill 91,000 regional positions, you should try to think about employment opportunities that would allow you to remain in Australia and earn a respectable wage. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.